Picture this scenario, because it is a pattern that separates people who build real wealth from people who just talk about investing, likely without realizing that the difference comes down to what they do every single Saturday morning. You wake up on Saturday. You've been telling yourself for months that you need to start investing. You know you should be building wealth. You've watched videos, you've read articles, you understand compound interest. You know that every month you wait is costing you thousands in future returns, but you're intimidated. You don't know which brokerage to use. You don't know if you should buy ETFs or index funds or individual stocks. You're worried about buying at the wrong time. What if the market crashes next week? What if you pick the wrong investments? You tell yourself you need to do more research first. You need to understand everything before you start. So you watch another YouTube video about investing, you read another article about the best stocks for beginners, you bookmark another podcast episode, and then Monday comes. You go back to work, the weekend is over, you didn't invest a single dollar. Again. And this cycle repeats every single week, for months, sometimes years, while your money sits in a checking account earning nothing, losing value to inflation as you get poorer by staying safe. Now picture a different scenario. Same Saturday morning, same intimidation, same uncertainty. But this time, instead of researching endlessly and doing nothing, you set a timer for 2 hours. You tell yourself, in the next 2 hours, I'm going to open a brokerage account and invest my first $500. That's it. I don't need to understand everything. I don't need to pick the perfect investments. I just need to start. You spend 30 minutes opening an account with Vanguard. You spend 20 minutes transferring $500 from your checking account. You spend 15 minutes buying shares of a total market index fund. And by 11 a.m., you're an investor. You own a piece of the American economy. Your money is working for you instead of sitting dormant. It's not perfect. You didn't optimize every decision, but you started. And that's the 2-hour rule that built my 6-figure investment portfolio. My name is John, and I spent way too much time paralyzed by analysis, watching my friends build wealth while I researched, studied, and did nothing. If you are someone who's been meaning to start investing but keeps putting it off, or if you're stuck in research mode and can't pull the trigger, or if you're terrified of making a mistake so you make no decision at all, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Because today, we're not talking about advanced investment strategies or stock picking techniques. We're talking about the single rule that got me from zero invested to over $100,000 in my portfolio. And it has nothing to do with what I invested in. It has everything to do with forcing myself to take action in a defined time window. Here's the thing about investing that nobody tells you. The difference between successful investors and unsuccessful investors isn't knowledge. It's not intelligence. It's not even how much money you have. The difference is action. Specifically, the difference is the ability to take imperfect action quickly instead of waiting for perfect information that will never come. I know people with finance degrees who have $3,000 in a savings account. I know people who've read 40 books about investing who have never bought a single share of stock. And I know people who barely graduated high school who have $200,000 in index funds because they started investing $300 a month 10 years ago and never stopped. Knowledge without action is worthless. Action without perfect knowledge is how wealth is actually built. The 2-hour rule works like this. Every Saturday morning, or whatever consistent day works for you, you block out 2 hours. During those 2 hours, you execute one specific investing task. That's it. You're not researching for 6 hours. You're not watching 4-hour courses. You're taking one concrete action that moves your portfolio forward, and you're doing it in 2 hours or less. Let me show you exactly how I used this rule to go from 0 to 6 figures. In January of 2019, I had $0 invested. I was 28 years old. I had money in my checking account, but I'd been paralyzed for years by not knowing enough. So I applied the 2-hour rule for the first time. Saturday 1. Open a brokerage account and make first investment. I set a timer for 2 hours. I went to Vanguard's website. I opened a Roth IRA. I transferred $1,000. I bought shares of VTSAX, Vanguard's total stock market index fund. I didn't understand every detail. I didn't know if it was the perfect fund, but I knew it was a low-cost index fund that owns a piece of every major company in America, and that was good enough. By 10:30 a.m., I was an investor. 2 hours, done. Saturday 2, set up automatic investments. The next Saturday, I logged into my account. I set up an automatic transfer of $500 per month from my checking account to my Roth IRA. and I set it to automatically invest in VTSAX. This took 20 minutes. I spent the remaining time learning what a Roth IRA actually was and why it's powerful. 2 hours, done. Saturday 3. Open a taxable brokerage account. I maxed out my Roth IRA contribution space quickly, so I needed a taxable account for additional investing. I opened one. I transferred $2,000. I bought more VTSAX. 2 hours, done. Saturday 4. Increase my savings rate to invest more. I reviewed my spending, cut 3 subscriptions I didn't use, and redirected that $80 per month to investments. I set up another automatic transfer. 2 hours, done. You see the pattern? Every Saturday, one action. I wasn't trying to become an expert. I wasn't trying to optimize every micro decision. I was just consistently moving forward, executing tasks that built my portfolio brick by brick. Over the next 5 years, I continued this pattern. Some Saturdays, I researched whether to add international stocks to my portfolio. Some Saturdays, I opened a 401k and figured out my employer match. Some Saturdays, I learned about tax loss harvesting. Some Saturdays, I just reviewed my portfolio and rebalanced if needed. But every Saturday, 2 hours, one task. The result? As of right now, I have $127,000 invested. I didn't time the market perfectly. I didn't pick magical stocks. I didn't have some secret strategy. I just started, and then I consistently showed up every week and did one thing. That consistency, that relentless forward progress in small 2-hour chunks built a 6-figure portfolio. Now, let me tell you why 2 hours is the magic number. It's long enough to actually accomplish something meaningful, but short enough that you can't fall into analysis paralysis. When you have unlimited time to research, you will research forever. There's always one more article to read, one more video to watch, one more expert opinion to consider. But when you have 2 hours and a specific task, you're forced to make a decision and execute. The 2-hour limit also removes the overwhelm. Investing feels like this massive, complicated thing you need to understand completely before you start. But you don't. You need to understand enough to take the next step. That's it. You don't need to know everything about the stock market to open a brokerage account. You don't need to understand every investment vehicle to buy an index fund. You just need to know enough for the next 2 hours. Here's how you implement this starting this weekend. First, decide what your first 2-hour task is. If you've never invested before, your task is simple. Open a brokerage account and invest your first dollar. I don't care if it's $50 or $5,000. The amount doesn't matter. What matters is that you go from zero invested to something invested. I recommend Vanguard, Fidelity, or Schwab. Pick one. It doesn't matter which. They're all good. Don't spend 3 weeks comparing them. Just pick one, open an account, and invest in a total market index fund. At Vanguard, it's VTSAX or VTI. At Fidelity, it's FXAIX or FSKAX. At Schwab, it's SWTSX. These are all essentially the same thing. Low-cost funds that own a piece of the entire U.S. stock market. You cannot go wrong with any of them. Second, set a literal timer. I use the timer on my phone. 2 hours. When it starts, you work. When it ends, you stop. If you finish your task in 45 minutes, great. Use the remaining time to learn something related to investing. But don't let yourself get sucked into 8 hours of research. 2 hours. That's the rule. Third, make this a weekly habit. Same day, same time, every week. I do Saturdays at 8 a.m. You might do Sundays at 2 p.m. Doesn't matter. What matters is consistency. Block it on your calendar like it's a meeting you cannot miss, because it is. It's a meeting with your future wealth. Fourth, have a list of tasks ready. You don't want to spend your 2 hours deciding what to do. Here's a starter list. Open brokerage account. Make first investment. Set up automatic contributions. Open Roth IRA. Increase contribution amount. Learn about asset allocation. Open 401k. Increase 401k contribution to get full employer match. Research tax-advantaged accounts. Review and rebalance portfolio. Each of these is a 2-hour task. Work through them sequentially. The biggest objection I hear is, but what if I make a mistake? What if I invest at the wrong time? Here's the truth. You will make mistakes. You will invest the day before a market dip. You will pick a fund that underperforms another fund. You will pay fees you could have avoided if you'd researched more. And none of it will matter, because the cost of those small mistakes is nothing compared to the cost of waiting years to start. Let me give you the actual numbers. If you invest $500 a month starting today at an average 8% return, in 20 years you'll have approximately $294,000. If you wait 5 years to start because you're researching and learning and trying to avoid mistakes, and then you invest the same $500 a month for 15 years, you'll have approximately $173,000. By waiting to be perfectly prepared, you lost $121,000. Your mistakes would have to be catastrophically bad to cost you more than the cost of waiting. The 2-hour rule forces you to prioritize action over perfection. It forces you to make progress over postponement. It turns investing from this overwhelming thing you'll do someday into a weekly habit you execute consistently. I built a 6-figure portfolio not because I'm smarter than you, not because I had a huge income, not because I timed the market perfectly. I built it because every Saturday for 5 years, I showed up and took one action. 2 hours, one task, repeat. You can do the same thing starting this weekend. Set the timer, open the account, invest the first dollar, and then do it again next Saturday and the Saturday after that. In 5 years, you'll have a portfolio. In 10 years, you'll have wealth. Not because you were perfect, but because you started and you didn't stop. If this video convinced you to finally take action instead of just researching forever, share it with someone who's been stuck in analysis paralysis. We all know someone who needs to hear this. Thanks for watching John Money Rules, and I'll see you in the next one.